NTR's grandson, whose mother is with the BJP, is all set to join Jagan Reddy's party. Former Congress leader Venkateshwar Rao, whose wife is D. Purandeshwari, is with the BJP, and they met YSR Congress chief at his Lotus Pond residence in Hyderabad. Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister N. Chandrababu Naidu's brother-in-law, Daggubati, and his son met YSR Congress President Jagan Mohan Reddy and expressed their wish to join the opposition party. Those pictures on your screen there. Now, Rao hasn't been in active politics ever since 2014, but his son Hitesh wants to contest the Andhra Pradesh Assembly elections due in a few months on a YSR Congress ticket. The induction of Venkateshwar Rao, known to be an arch rival of Chandrababu Naidu, and his son into the YSR Congress would perhaps be very significant for the party ahead of the simultaneous poll to Andhra Pradesh Assembly as well as the Lok Sabha elections. My colleague Uma Sudhir joins us live from Hyderabad now. Uma, this is going to be very significant because he's joining the YSR Congress, and also it's perhaps the third generation of N.T. Ramarao's legendary actor, his family now entering politics.
Yes, indeed. Quite ironical that the main opposition party leader, Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy, is actually fighting one son-in-law of N.T. Ramarao, Chandrababu Naidu, who is right now in the Chief Minister's chair, while another son-in-law and a grandson are coming on to his side. And Hitesh, in fact, wants to contest, we understand, the seat that his father had held at one time, Parchur Assembly constituency in the YSR Congress, because there seem to be indications that that seat may not be able to be spared for him by the Telugu Desam, and therefore he is switching sides. Perhaps YSR Congress would like to see this as the changing winds as well. But yes, once again, the question of the NTR legacy being claimed by multiple people will come in. One, the fact that Chandrababu Naidu's party Telugu Desam was established by N.T. Ramarao, so he's the founder president of the party, and therefore the Telugu Desam and Chandrababu Naidu will claim NTR legacy as their own. And on the other hand, this grandson and son-in-law coming on to one side, and importantly, even Lakshmi Parvati, the wife of N.T. Ramarao, the widow of N.T. Ramarao, is with the YSR Congress. So once again, this talk about NTR legacy will come in. To give some background to Daggubati Venkateshwar Rao, who is married to Purandeshwari, who was a minister in the, she had won the Lok Sabha seat on the Congress ticket. She was a minister when the Congress government, UPA government was in place as well. And then subsequently, she went on to the BJP. Whether she will quit the BJP and join her son and husband on the YSR Congress side is not yet clear, but Daggubati Venkateshwar Rao saying that there is no such chance. But considering the fact that people do perceive hostility among the people of Andhra Pradesh against the BJP, or at least there is a propaganda that BJP is responsible for not granting special category status for Andhra Pradesh, and therefore it is quite likely that the mother, Purandeshwari, who is the daughter of NTR, may also possibly switch sides or at least try and stay neutral in this entire thing. Of course, the allegation would also come up that this is once again the YSR Congress acting along with the BJP to put the TDP in some kind of trouble. But yes, family politics playing out at a time when in fact we have seen biography of NTR in two parts, done by his son Balakrishna. That is something, one as the actor and one as the politician NTR. Both of them were just released and they are in the theatres. And there is another biopic in a sense of him, which is called Lakshmi's NTR, which is being done by Ram Gopal Verma and which is backed by NTR's wife, Lakshmi Parvati. That is also in the making. There is also another book of NTR also coming up. So once again, as elections are approaching, we will see NTR's legacy being claimed by multiple claimants. Back to you.